The National Road Safety Council is putting the country on notice after road fatalities spiked in June and July. They held a press conference today. Jamaica Maitland reports.
Executive Director of the National Road Safety Council, Paula Fletcher, is calling for greater support from the government, opposition and the civil society to help reduce the number of road fatalities across the island.
We need a strong political commitment. Matter of fact, that was a strong message. We cannot go forward without strong political will.
The council, during a press conference at the Police Commissioner's office on Tuesday, charged stakeholders to commit the same amount of zeal and investment to road safety as it does to major crimes.
In the same way that this entire nation, the ordinary man on the street, the working class, the trade unions, the professional class, the civil service, the universities, the church, the media, the private sector, the judiciary, and the government, which includes opposition, has been mobilized to successfully drive down the crime rate. We declare that the reduction of road fatalities deserve the same kind of national effort.
Presenting on the data for road fatalities over the years, Dr. Paris Leo Ayi says there are 4 holidays that show worrying trends. Since the start of the summer, however, car accident and fatalities for June and July have gone up.
So Christmas spike, Labor Day spike, Heroes Day spike, Emancipation spike. We're seeing that. And right now we're on the uptick and we're not yet in August.
August, because during the Emancipation holiday, it is usually one of the worst periods for road fatalities.
You're seeing in front of us August, Emancipation. That was a peak period last year. And we're climbing, we're looking at August in the face right now. And we are climbing. So the concern is to see what's going to happen with us in August if we don't do something.
Head of PSTEB Senior Superintendent Lloyd Darby says the police have increased its presence in the event areas and along highways where speeding and driving under the influence have become the leading concoctions for road crashes.
The strategy is to go to the bad spots and to effect detection of moving violation, speed. And whenever we stop a person for speeding, we also do the breath test.
For the period January to June, the police have issued 72,079 speeding tickets, more than double for the similar period in 2025. They've also conducted over 7,600 breathalyzer tests. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.